Oh, the camera's on. What is up, guys? My name is Ebenezer Frimpong and welcome back to the channel. So it's actually been quite some time since I've sat down at my desk and made a video for you guys. So this morning I woke up and I was like, okay, there's a comment that I saw on one of my videos asking about Google AdWords credit. So I was like, well, let me sit at my desk, set up the camera, and make a video answering that question for you guys, right? So today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of the things that makes Google AdWords or Google Ads an ideal traffic source. I still hate the name change. I'm probably going to say AdWords throughout this entire video because that's what I'm used to saying. I don't know why they took the words off of ads, but you know, I'm not Google. I don't make those decisions, but whatever. One of the things that makes Google AdWords an ideal traffic source is when you first get started, you don't have to use your own money. Unlike Facebook or any other traffic source, right? When you get started, you have to put your credit card information in and you're spending your own money right there and then, right? Google gives you ad credit. Well, Google itself and Google's partners give you ad credit. But recently, it's been a little difficult getting that AdWords credit. But yeah, it's been a little difficult getting that AdWords credit through Google's partners. So that's what I want to answer. So today I want to talk about how to get that AdWords credit and what to do when you have that AdWords credit, what to spend it on, how to spend it. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and let's get started. So where do you get the Google AdWords credit from? Well, previously, the way I got the AdWords credit was when I build a store, I install Oberlo. And then when I go to Oberlo, at the very top of the Oberlo dashboard, there's a link that says sign up for a Google Ads account and get a $100 credit. And I'll click that link. I'll sign up through that link. In a couple days, Google will email me a $100 AdWords credit, right? You spend $25 and you get $100 for free, which is great, right? It's a great deal. But recently, Oberlo updated its dashboard. So when you go into the dashboard, that link is no longer there. I've looked through every single section and it's no longer there. I've also reached out and emailed Oberlo to see what's going on and I did not get a response. But don't worry, I have a couple of different ways to get around that and still get the Google AdWords credit. The very first way to get the AdWords credit is when you set up your Shopify store, remove the password. Remove your store password and launch your store. Once your store is launched, install the Google Shopping app made by Shopify. This app right here. Install that one. Set the app up and then let your store sit for about 2 or 3 days. And in 2 or 3 days, it's either, you could check both locations. When you go to the Google Shopping app itself, you'll see a link up top that says sign up for AdWords and get $100 credit. Or you can also check the Shopify dashboard, the home screen, the home dashboard itself, and you'll see a link that says start marketing, use Google AdWords shopping credit or whatever, Google Ads credit. When you click that, both links, whether you click on your home dashboard or the Google Shopping app dashboard, it's going to take you to the same place. It's going to take you to the discount section of your Shopify store. And it will scroll down automatically to the bottom. And at the bottom, you will agree to terms and conditions. And a promo code will pop up that you can use in your Google Ads account. And it will give you the $100 ads credit. So that's the very first way to get the Google AdWords credit. The second way is I still have the link to the old Oberlo Google sign up, right? So the link that Oberlo used to give you to sign up and get the $100 ad credit, I still have that. Now with that link, I'm not 100% sure if it still works, but I'm still gonna put it in the description for you. So what you do with that link is you actually have to create your Google Ads account through that link, and once you create it through that link, in a couple days, Google will email you your promo code. They will go ahead and email you and you'll be good to go. And you can use that code in your Google Ads account and you'll get that $100 ad credit. So you can still go ahead and try that link and I'll have it there for you in the description. The next way is to have your Google Analytics account and your Google AdWords account linked together. This is something that you guys should already be doing. Your analytics and your AdWords account should always be linked together, right? Once you have your account linked together, in a couple of days, Google itself will reach out to you and say, start advertising now. Use this promo code to get free AdWords credit. Now, with this method, the ads credit actually varies. Sometimes you'll get the $25, spend $25, get $100 ad credit. That's where sometimes they'll send to you. Other times they'll also send ones like spend $50 or spend $50 or spend $100 and get $150 ads credit, right? So the credit amounts vary for this method. It's always something different, and I still get those a lot. Now, what's cool about this method is if they continue to send you those codes, those ones have an expiration date, right? The expiration date is usually within 30 days, so you have to use it within 30 days. But you can use them as many times as you can. So let's say today they send you an email, spend $25, get $100 ad credit. And let's say in a couple of weeks they send you another one. You can use both of those, right? Versus the other methods, you use one of those promo codes, that is it. You cannot use any other promo codes on your account, you're done. The next one, this I haven't tried. Call Google and then ask for a promo code. Tell them your account is brand new, right? You typically see $100 ads credits and see if they can offer you a code. So there's no shame or there's no harm in trying. So you can try that. The next one is Google itself has a sign up link, and it's for Google Ads. You spend $75 and you get $100. No, not spend. Sorry, I said that wrong. You spend $25 and you get $75 in AdWords credit. So you don't get the full $100, but that's directly through Google's own landing page. I will add that sign up link in the description. Right, so those are a couple of different ways that you guys can get the $100 AdWords credit still. So you don't have to worry about going in and spending $100 or $150 yourself. Right, those are a couple of different ways that you can still use get the Google Ads credit. Now, once you have the credit, how should you spend it? Well, let's talk about low ticket. If you're a low ticket store, once you have that AdWords credit, you should be using it to test products, because that $100 credit gives you a lot of room to go out and test as many products as possible, right? But still start at $10 a day. And with that $100 credit, you're going to be able to find your winner if you're testing correctly, right? So that's what you should do if you're a low ticket store, is use the $100 AdWords credit to go out and find your winning product. And you can actually be profitable using the $100 ad credit. So it's a great thing. It's a win-win situation for you. Now, if you're a high ticket store, that $100 ad credit, you can go ahead and start use it on top of the marketing budget that you already have, right? So you could go out there and actually get a sale with that $100 AdWords credit. So those are the two ways that you should be spending the credit. If you're a low ticket, you're using it to test products and find winners. If you're a high ticket store, congratulations, you just got more money in your marketing budget that you can use to advertise your store and get sales. So that is it. Be sure to check the description for all the links I mentioned previously. And that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe.
Pull out the Lambos, we bout have a race. I put on the seatbelt in case. Like future my diamonds, they jump out the face. Can't even seek in this grace. Get some cell rock, we just put up the ace. Stars in the roof of the rain. Praying to God, yeah, I'm keeping my faith. You don't wanna get out of place. Making this money, I just keep going. Not gonna stop till my bank overflow.